Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting our focus to one of the most talked about adventure bikes of the upcoming year, the 2026 CFMOTO 450MT. Known for blending rugged performance with everyday practicality, CFMOTO has been steadily climbing the ranks in the adventure motorcycle world. The new 450MT takes everything riders loved about its predecessor and enhances it with sharper design, better performance, and advanced technology. Let's dive into what makes this 2026 model so exciting for both new riders and seasoned explorers. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CFMOTO 450MT arrives with a bold, aggressive look that perfectly captures the spirit of adventure. The redesigned LED headlamp setup, tall windscreen, and sculpted tank shrouds give it a commanding presence on the road. Its lightweight frame and narrow seat design ensure comfort during long rides, while new color schemes and graphic updates provide a modern, premium appearance. Every detail, from the high front fender to the rugged handguards, has been crafted to balance style and functionality, performance and powertrain. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, the 450MT is powered by a responsive 449cc parallel twin engine that delivers impressive torque across the rev range. Mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, it provides both control and excitement for any terrain. The bike features adjustable front and rear suspension, optimized for off-road agility and on-road comfort. With its lightweight chassis and balanced weight distribution, the 450MT offers a confident ride whether you're carving through city streets or tackling mountain trails. Safety and technology. CFMOTO has equipped the 2026 450MT with an impressive suite of modern features. The bike includes switchable ABS for both wheels, allowing greater flexibility during off-road riding. A full-color TFT display keeps riders connected with Bluetooth smartphone pairing and navigation support. LED lighting all around improves visibility, while the new ride-by-wire throttle system ensures precise control. With added traction control and improved rider ergonomics, the 450MT feels both advanced and intuitive. Conclusion: the 2026 CFMOTO 450MT redefines what a midweight adventure bike can be, combining versatility, technology, and value into one compelling package. It's ideal for those who want to explore further without compromising comfort or control. Whether you're commuting during the week or venturing off-grid on weekends, the 450MT is built to handle it all with confidence. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, updates, and first looks at the machines that fuel your adventures.